In this video, we're still in Irish Meadows subdivision right here in Moore, South Carolina, right off the Duncan Highway, Highway 290 area of Moore, South Carolina. So this is a DRB community right here in Moore. Right now in this phase, there are a little under 200 lots in this first phase of this new home community. Now this is a brand new subdivision right here in Moore, South Carolina by DRB Homes. So we looked at the decorated model, which if you're looking at this later, you might want to check out the decorated model home here, which is the Augusta floor plan by DRB Homes. So we're going to take a look at the Cameron model right now, which is also another model home. So they have two model homes in this community. And with DRB, you can actually pick out a lot here. You can build your favorite floor plan and pick out the options and the colors that you want. But they do have some that are actually already built that you can buy right now and for a quick move in. So I'm gonna show you those as well. But we're gonna take a look at the model home Camry model that we're gonna check out here, and then I'll show you the ones that are available for sale right now. So if you're interested in these DRB homes, just check out our list of videos that we have on our channel. You'll be able to see the other plans that are available as well. All right, again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Spartanburg County, Greenville County, Anderson County, Oconee, Lawrence County, and all the towns and cities in between. All right, so if you like these videos, please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified the next time we post a new video. All right, I'm going to pan around so I can show you the neighborhood and this model of the Cameron floor plan right here in Irish Meadows subdivision. All right. Okay, so there is a gate and fence in this area here. So this is the Augusta model that we did a walkthrough tour of. That's the sales office for the development right here. And we're gonna check out this Cameron model. And this is the second model home for this builder in this community. Now this Cameron, the starting price in the Cameron is $300,990. And the square footage, you can build it, minimum square footage is 2,018 square feet, and you can build it up to 2,520 square feet. And this is a vinyl siding community. You do get the video doorbell that comes standard in this development. And this Cameron, it's a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 or 3.5 bathroom home, depending on how you build it. Open floor plan, so you've got the tray ceiling there in the dining area, and it does open up in this side as well. Little coat closet here. Luxury vinyl plank floors. You have the quartz countertop here, stainless steel appliances, brushed nickel pools. You've got the pantry closet here, and I actually skipped one room here. So in this is the powder room. So your half bath right there. Plenty of windows. Can you imagine, all the natural light coming through here with all these windows, and farmhouse sink, and a nice tile backsplash, gas range. And this is a model, so they actually have the move-in package here with the washer and dryer already. 2-car garage. And while we're down here, I'm just gonna check out this covered patio. The ceiling fan there. This is probably like a 12 by 12, I think. Covered patio. Okay, let's go check out the upstairs. And I like how you don't have an actual wall there. Makes it nice and open. No stairs on the carpet in this one. And right here upstairs, there's a couple of rooms on that side and a couple of rooms on this side. So we'll start on this side. And you have walk-in closet in here, recessed lighting. And same thing here, you got 3 lights there, and they're controlled by different switches. So you have one that you could use for a ceiling fan as well. Closet, just a regular size closet in this one. And linen closet. And you have the second bathroom. So one sink there. Nice tile floors on the floor in here. And this one does have the pull down attic in this bedroom. And regular closet here as well. Just hand back around here, get a better look. And this is the owner's suite, master bedroom. Good size room, large. And walk-in closet. Bathroom is on this other side. Double sinks, brushed nickel pools. Yeah, this towel here almost looks like it has some kind of leather or something on it. It's pretty. And linen closet there. And you do have this, tile all the way to the ceiling. Shower, and it does have a bench seat inside of it. And a transom window in there. So what do you think? Do you like the Cameron floor plan? Do you like the Augusta floor plan, or the Cooper 3, or the other plans that DRB has in this community? Regardless of which one, we do have other videos relating to this builder on our YouTube channel. So if you are curious what the other plans look like, feel free to search the other DRB homes that we have on our YouTube channel as well. So we're doing multiple model home tours in this community. We are new construction experts and relocation experts. So if you're looking to relocate to this area, give us a call. We'd love to help show you around the area and help you purchase your new construction home here, or even if you're looking for a home that's already existing. So let us know what we can do to help. If you have any questions, if you like these videos, feel free to comment and share and like the video, and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com, or scan the QR code or click the link below to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye.